my name is Lily, and I'm 20 years old. I live in a quiet little town with my family. I'm a university student, and I also work part-time at a local library. I enjoy both studying and working, but the one thing that truly brings me peace and joy is my hobby. I love painting. It's more than just a pastime. Painting helps me relax, express my emotions, and connect with the world in a beautiful way. I started painting when I was just 10 years old. For my birthday that year, my mom gave me a small set of paints and brushes. I still remember how excited I was. At first, I painted simple things: flowers, trees, and small houses. My parents hung my early paintings on the walls of our home. That made me feel so proud. As I got older, my love for painting grew deeper. I began watching art tutorials online, reading books about famous painters, and practicing every single day. Little by little, I learned to paint more complex subjects: landscapes, animals, even portraits. But my favorite thing to paint is nature. There's something magical about sunsets, mountains, rivers, and forests. I feel like they speak to my soul. When I paint them, I feel calm and free. Most evenings, after studying and work, I sit down with my brushes, play soft music, and start painting. Sometimes I get so lost in it that I don't even realize how much time has passed. Weekends are my favorite because I have more time to paint outdoors. There's a small park near my house with a peaceful little lake. I often sit there and paint the reflections of the trees, the birds flying by, and the gentle ripples in the water. Sometimes, people stop to look at my work. They smile, and some even compliment me. It warms my heart. My friends love my paintings too. I often make small pieces as birthday gifts for them. One of them once said, "Lily, your paintings are so beautiful. You should sell them someday." I just smiled and said, "Maybe one day." For me, painting isn't just a hobby. It's a way to express how I feel. When I'm happy, I use bright colors: yellows, oranges, pinks. When I'm feeling low, I paint with blues and grays. My art reflects my heart, even when I don't have the words to say what I'm feeling. I've even taken part in a few art competitions in our town. Last year, I won second place for a sunset painting over the ocean. The judges said it was full of life and emotion. That moment filled me with pride and happiness. I also love learning about famous artists. My favorite painter is Vincent van Gogh. I admire how he saw the beauty in nature and used colors so boldly. One of my dreams is to visit an art museum and see his work in person. My family supports me a lot. My dad even built a small art corner for me at home, with a table, shelves, and space for all my tools. My mom always says, "Lily, your paintings make our house feel alive." Painting has taught me patience and creativity. Some pieces take hours or even days to finish. But when I step back and look at the final result, I feel proud of every brush stroke. Sometimes I post my artwork on social media. The kind comments and messages I receive inspire me to keep creating. Some people even ask me for painting tips, and I love helping them. I truly believe that everyone has an artist inside them. I also joined a local art club recently. There, I've met people who share the same passion. We exchange ideas, learn from one another, and sometimes even paint together. It's such a comforting feeling to be part of a creative community. Looking ahead, I dream of having my own art studio One day, I'd love to teach painting to kids and inspire them to find their own voice through art. I also want to travel the world, visit new places, and paint the breathtaking views I see. Forests, beaches, cities, and mountains. I want to capture them all on my canvas. Painting has made my life richer, more colorful, and full of meaning. It's not just something I do in my free time. It's a part of who I am. If you have a hobby you love, never let it go. It could be the thing that adds color and purpose to your life, just like painting has done for me. Thank you for listening to my story.